internship programme involves every department within our business. So you'll be welcomed in to one particular to what your interests are and what your subject choices at college is. Any college student or university student can apply in Scotland for internships. They will be located around Scotland and remotely. So please apply if you're interested. You will be required to have a work visa or be allowed to work in the UK to be part of the internship programme, and that's 35 hours per week. We welcome all college students to apply. You'll gain great skills from our internship here. You don't need to be in the Glasgow area. You're welcome to come and work hybrid in our locations, but also we provide a completely remote opportunity for people who aren't in the area. Our internship programme involves every department within our business. So you'll be welcomed in to one particular to what your interests are and what your subject choices at college is. Head on over to our NMIS website where you'll find all the information on how to apply, and you'll be able to download the application form there.